Hi everyone, welcome to this channel and this is Ferry. Today I am making the fruit salad which is very popular among many countries. This can also called a Russian salad that I will made with some mayonnaise and fresh cream milk with some black pepper and few salt, some icing sugar. And I will add all the seasonal fruits that are available to me. You can add whatever fruit you have in your season. I have followed a great chef Baba Food RRC, their recipe. Its taste was very good. It's a blessing of Allah that has given us so many foods. Just thanks to Allah Almighty. I wish I could add pineapple too. If you have pineapple, you will add because it's very low in calorie and its taste is so amazing. Alhamdulillah, this is done. Its taste was so amazing. If you want to add more cream, you can add more cream into this. I just wanted to keep that in a low weight, so I add a one pack. You can add two pack as well. According to your taste, it depends on you. Its taste was amazing. I keep that in the refrigerator for up to 30 minutes. Just enjoy this fruit salad. Try this and hope you like this video. Subscribe this channel and my effort. Support my effort. This is definitely a very healthy recipe. Subscribe this channel for more videos. Take care. Bye bye.